BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Q2800N Plus. Big price difference right off the bat. The Nexgrill is like $180, but the Weber is $500. What gives?
Yeah, that's a huge difference. Well, the Weber's definitely aiming for a more premium experience. It's got that plus burner, which is supposed to give you a wider temperature range, from low and slow roasting to high heat searing. The Nexgrill, it's just a standard 2-burner setup putting out 13,500 BTUs.
Okay, so the Weber's more versatile with that extra burner. What about size? I need something that can handle a decent amount of burgers.
The Weber has a slightly larger cooking surface, 320 square inches versus the Nexgrill's 263, so you can fit a couple more burgers on the Weber, and it claims up to 2 full racks of ribs. Also, the Weber has a higher dome, good for larger foods.
That's a point in Weber's favor. But the Nexgrill is portable, right? It's a tabletop design.
Exactly. The Nexgrill is all about portability. It's got easy lift handles and is designed for camping or tailgating. The Weber, while technically portable, weighs a hefty 92 pounds. It comes with a stand, so it's more of a move-it-around-the-patio kind of portable. The Nexgrill is only 28.7 pounds.
Okay, so if I'm mostly grilling at home, the Weber might be better. But if I want to take it on the road, the Nexgrill wins. What about the grates themselves?
The Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and searing. The Nexgrill also uses cast iron grates, which is a plus at its price point.
Good to know. Anything else that sets them apart?
The Weber can accept a griddle insert, sold separately, for more cooking options, and has a built-in thermometer on the lid. The Nexgrill has a removable grease tray for easy cleanup.
So Weber is pricier, with more features and a larger cooking area, while Nexgrill is cheaper and more portable. I guess it depends on what I value most.
Precisely. If you want a versatile, high-performance grill for home use, the Weber might be worth the investment. But if you need something you can easily take with you, the Nexgrill's a solid, budget-friendly choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.